Genmo AI versus Midjourney. Which AI image generator is better? Choosing the right AI image generator can transform your creative process without wasting time on complex tools. Genmo AI and Midjourney both offer unique strengths for generating stunning visuals. Genmo AI and Midjourney are popular AI image generators designed to create high-quality visuals from text prompts. The core difference lies in Genmo AI's focus on video and animation capabilities, while Midjourney specializes in detailed static image generation. Genmo AI is an advanced AI platform that generates both images and videos from text prompts, offering dynamic visual storytelling. It works by interpreting descriptive inputs to create animated scenes or short clips, making it ideal for creators who want motion in their content. Genmo AI excels at blending creativity with AI-driven animation, allowing users to produce engaging video content without complex software. Its strengths include smooth video generation and versatile styles, which are perfect for marketing, social media, and storytelling. However, Genmo AI may have limitations in producing hyper-detailed static images compared to specialized tools. Its ideal users are digital marketers, content creators, and storytellers seeking animated visuals with minimal effort. Midjourney is an AI image generator known for producing highly detailed and artistic static images from text prompts. It uses advanced machine learning models to create visually rich and imaginative artwork, favored by designers, artists, and illustrators. Midjourney's strength lies in crafting intricate textures, lighting, and styles that rival professional digital art. It supports extensive customization through prompt engineering, allowing users to refine outputs precisely. However, Midjourney focuses solely on static images and does not support video or animation. This makes it less suitable for users needing motion graphics. Ideal users include graphic designers, concept artists, and anyone needing high-quality, imaginative still images for projects or inspiration. When comparing Genmo AI and Midjourney, the choice depends on your creative needs. If you require animated content or video storytelling, Genmo AI offers a straightforward solution with smooth motion and diverse styles. On the other hand, Midjourney excels in generating detailed, artistic static images with rich textures and lighting, perfect for high-resolution artwork. Trade-offs include Genmo AI's less detailed still images versus Midjourney's lack of animation capabilities. In real-world use, marketers and social media creators benefit from Genmo AI's video features, while illustrators and designers prefer Midjourney's precision and artistic depth. Both platforms provide powerful AI tools but serve distinct creative purposes. Choose Genmo AI if your focus is on animated visuals or video content that brings stories to life with AI-powered motion and creativity. Opt for Midjourney if you need detailed, high-quality static images that showcase artistic depth and precision. Both tools excel in their areas, so select based on whether your projects demand animation or static imagery to unlock your creative potential.